Welcome to our YouTube channel on Job Discovery. The topic going look today is simple interest. So friends, read this question very carefully and solve it. Question number 1 is, at the rate of 4.5% per annum simple interest, a sum of Rs 2400 will earn how much interest in 4 years 6 months? Given 4 years and 6 months and simple interest rate of interest given 4.5. Okay, so what would be the simple interest? So see here, this is a very simple question. Simple interest formula is PRT by 100, right? So principal is given 2400, rate of interest 4.5% per annum PA, right? And time duration is 4 years. So what would be the simple interest? Simple interest formula is PRT by 100, and in this question given principal is equal to 2400, rate of interest is 4.5% per annum and time is equal to 4 years. So substitute our value here. Principal is 2400, simple interest is equal to into rate of interest. What is rate of interest? 4.5, right? And time duration is 4 years by 100. So 0 and 0 cancel and remove 0 will be into 10. So 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12. 12 2 ja 24, right? And 5 9 ja 45. So simple interest will be 12 into 9 into 4. 12 into 9 into 4. So simple interest is equal to 9 2 ja 18, remaining 1, 9 1 ja 9 and 0 into 4. So I think 4 8 ja 32 and 0, so 3, 4 1 ja 4. So simple interest is 432 of 2400 principal, right? So our answer is 432. So amount will be principal plus interest. What is amount? What is principal? Principal is 2400 plus simple interest is 432. So keep here 432. 1 minute. 432. So 0 3 4 4 8 and 2. So amount is equal to 2830. Okay friends, question number 2. A sum of Rs 12,500 amounts to Rs 15,500 in 4 years at the rate of simple interest. What is the rate of simple interest? In this question asking what is simple interest, right? What is the rate of interest? Principal given is 12,500 and amount is 15,500 and time is given 4 years. Okay, so our target, what is rate of interest? Okay, so principal is given 12,500 and amount is given 15,500. So simple interest will be difference is 300. Now simple interest formula is PRT by 100. So substitute your value here. Simple interest is 3,000, right, is equal to principal is 12,500. Rate of interest is not, so keep it as R, right, and time duration is given 4 years, so keep here 4 is by 100. So 0 and 0 cancel. Now 525 is 125 and 520 is 100, right? So 5 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30. Now 5 4 is 20 and 4 4 cancel. So R is equal to 6. See here, R is equal to 6. So our answer is 6% of this question. Friends, see here once again. Our principal is given 12,500 and amount. This principal became 15,500. Means principal plus simple interest is equal to amount. So we can say very easily simple interest is difference is 3,000. Okay, so simple interest formula is PRT by 100. Principal is given and rate of interest is not given, so keep it T. Okay, and time is 4 years, so substitute here 4 years by 100. After calculation we found 6%, so rate is 6% of this question. Question number 3. Read this question and solve it. How much time will it take for an amount of Rs 450 to yield Rs 81 as interest of 4.5% per annum of simple interest? So our target to find in this question, how much time will means what is time. Okay, so principal is given 450 and rate of interest is given 4.5 and time is not given, so keep it question mark, and simple interest is given 81, right? So we need time. Simple interest formula is PRT by 100. Okay, so principal is given 450 and simple interest is given 81, so keep it 81 and principal is 450, so keep here 450 and rate of interest is 4.5% per annum. Okay, so keep here 4.5 into time is not given, so keep it as T by 100. So remove 0 will be here 1 again 0, right? So 0 and 0 cancel. 5 9 ja 45, 5 20 ja 100, 5 9 ja 45, 5 4 ja 20, 9 9 ja 81, so 81 and 81 cancel, right? So T by 4 means will be T equal to 4. So time duration is 4 years. Okay, so in this 4 is answer of this question, right? See here once again, principal given is 450, rate of interest is given is 4.5% per annum, and we need time. So simple interest also given is 81. So simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. So after calculating, we found time equal to 4 years. So 4 is answer of this question. Thank you for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Thanks.